Hello everyone, welcome to another episode where we bring simple ingredients to create delicious hassle-free meals. In today's recipe, baked chicken al pastor, juicy, delicious, irresistible. We're pairing it with our flavorful lemon garlic rice for a family-friendly comfort food. Join us as we unlock the secrets of traditional Mexican sauces to create simple and delicious meals. Welcome to Season the Water. I will introduce you to the ingredients and you can also find them in the description, so let's begin. Al Pastor Adobo is a marinade and cooking sauce that brings an authentic taste of Mexico to your dishes. It has the power to transform meats, fish, and vegetables into flavorful creations. You will find the link in the description for the full recipe. Gently cooking the onions and garlic allows their water content to be released, creating a mild flavor while losing their pungency and becoming soft, tender, and retaining their natural color while developing the flavor gradually. This technique is one of the hidden secrets of skilled chefs. This easy and budget-friendly meal is a game changer for busy weeknights. The spice and aromatic adobo sauce gives the chicken an incredible flavor, making it so juicy and tender. The citrus garlic infused rice complements the dish beautifully, offering a mouth-watering and truly Mexican culinary experience in no time. Whether you're hosting a gathering or just having a cozy family dinner, impress your loved ones and leave them convinced you have spent hours in the kitchen. Thank you for tuning into this episode. I appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, subscribe so you don't miss a single recipe, and we'll see you in the next one.